Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Steve from Minecraft. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw his head with a rectangular shape. Now inside of that rectangular shape, I'm gonna draw a line across right there, turn it downwards on both the left and right side, and above that I'm gonna draw a smaller rectangle in the middle point right there for his nose, and I'm gonna copy the same size rectangular shape below that nose. From the corners above the nose, I'm gonna copy the same rectangular shape again. And inside of that, I'm gonna draw a line down off center on the left corner. Copy the same eye shape on the left side here as well. Now for his hairline, I'm gonna take this same point at the side of the eye at this upper corner and draw a line across to the upper corner of the eye on the right. Turn it downwards on both sides and turn it sideways and out to the side of his head. Now below the head, I'm going to draw a line across for his body, and I'm going to leave a gap between the head and the body. The width of this line will be slightly smaller than the width of the head, and from the sides I'm going to draw a line downwards and I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. Now from the ending point on the right, I'm gonna draw a line sideways to the left, turn it upwards, and I'm gonna repeat the same shape again at this corner. And from that upper point, I'm gonna draw a line across all the way to the left. For the line at the side, I'm gonna extend it all the way down to his foot, around that level right there, and I'm gonna do the same thing for the right side. And at the ending point below, I'm gonna draw a line across. Now in the middle point of that line, I'm gonna draw a line upwards all the way to that level. And slightly above the lowest point of the foot, I'm gonna draw another line across for the lowest point of his pants right there. And on his knee, I'm gonna draw a rectangular shape right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. Now for his arm, I'm gonna take this point at the side of his outfit, and I'm gonna draw a line downwards and slightly diagonal, bigger gap at that lower point. And from the upper point of that line, I'm gonna draw a line sideways to the right and slightly diagonal upwards at the outer corner. And I'm gonna do the same thing at the lower point. Copy the same line downwards for the outer line of the arm right there. And for the sleeve of the shirt, I'm gonna draw a line across at this upper point. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the arm on the left side. Now for the color of his shirt, I'm gonna take this point, aligning with the side of his mouth at the upper corner, and draw a line downwards. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. Turn it sideways to the middle point on both sides. And then I'm gonna make a turn downwards on both ending points and a line across in the middle. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!